What if I told you that you can grow your favorite fruit trees right on your balcony or patio without any backyard? Stay with me because I am about to show you how to create a mini orchard in pots anywhere. Have you ever dreamed of picking fresh, homegrown fruit straight from your own tree, but thought you needed a big yard or a farm to make that happen? Well, you are not alone. Thousands of people give up on that dream just because of space. But today, I'm going to show you how to turn even the smallest space, your patio, balcony, or porch, into a thriving mini fruit orchard in containers. Growing fruit trees in pots is easier than you think. It saves space, gives you control over soil and sunlight, and best of all, it lets you grow delicious fruit right at your fingertips. Whether you live in an apartment or just want a beautiful, edible corner in your garden, this method works beautifully. Let us start with the basics. What do you need to grow fruit trees in containers? First, you need the right size pots. For dwarf or patio-sized trees, choose containers that are at least 15 to 20 inches deep and wide. Make sure they have good drainage holes because fruit trees do not like soggy roots. Next, choose a high-quality potting mix. Regular garden soil is too heavy. Look for a mix designed for containers. It should be light, rich, and well-draining. Add some organic compost for extra nutrients, and, if possible, mix in a bit of perlite or coconut coir to help keep moisture balanced. Now, let us talk about sunlight. Most fruit trees need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. A south-facing spot is usually ideal. If you're growing indoors or on a shaded balcony, consider using grow lights to supplement natural light. So, which fruit trees are the best for containers? Great question. Dwarf varieties are your best friend. Think of a dwarf apple, lemon, fig, peach, or even pomegranate. Citrus trees like lemon, lime, and calamandan are especially popular for containers because they stay compact and look beautiful year-round. You can also try blueberries or strawberries if you want faster fruit. Here comes the fun part, planting your tree. Start by placing a layer of small stones or broken pottery at the bottom of your pot for drainage. Then fill halfway with your potting mix. Gently remove the tree from its nursery container and place it in the center. Fill in around the root ball, pat down the soil gently, and water it well. Your tree is now planted, but how do you keep it happy and healthy? Watering is key. Container trees dry out faster than those in the ground. During hot months, you might need to water every day. Stick your finger into the soil if it feels dry and inch down, it is time to water. Always water deeply until you see it draining from the bottom. Fertilizing is also important. Use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer made for fruit trees. You can also feed with liquid seaweed or compost tea every few weeks to keep your plant strong and productive. Now, here's a tip most people miss. Prune your tree. Even in a pot, pruning helps shape the plant and encourages more fruit. Remove dead branches, thin out crowded areas, and shape the canopy to allow air and light to flow through. Still with me? Good, because here comes a bonus tip. To get the best fruit, hand-pollinate flowers if your tree is indoors or if you have only one tree. Just use a small paintbrush and gently transfer pollen from one flower to another. It takes only a minute and can double your harvest. So, if you have been waiting for the perfect way to grow your own fruit without a big backyard, this is it. A mini orchard in pots is not only practical, it is beautiful, rewarding, and totally beginner-friendly. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who needs a little gardening inspiration. Let us grow together, one pot at a time.